To Trinity Hundred-Mark, defense attorney, what do you think is happening right now?
You know, Gene, it's hard to say. I mean, the police statements that says that it's highly likely she's been harmed by an unknown fire. I mean, what does that mean? To me, it just seems like they're completely speculating. I mean, I don't even know what to make of that statement. They don't have a body. They don't have a weapon. There was a potential maybe that they had a suspect, even though they said that they didn't, and they let him go to Alaska. If they had enough, they would have charged him with something stronger so that he wouldn't have been allowed to have bond, and so he wouldn't have been allowed to leave the state. But instead, this person that may be an actual suspect is gone and is in Alaska, and sure, they can keep tabs on him, but I don't know. It just seems like they don't really have their ducks in a row, and I'm not really sure they know what they're looking for.
All right, Justin Fryman, I think that statement that they believe she may have been harmed by an unknown firearm is relevant. Isn't the fact that they have not found all of the guns, but they've found some casings in a car?
That's right. They have found casings in a car that we believe belonged to Christopher Lee, but we have not. Authorities have not found the gun associated with those spent cartridges.